You see me, they run.
No, I no run. I just reach out.
What you do there now?
No, I don't come now.
Eh? You call 500 way they owe me, and they call you for the past 6 months. You know, you pick my call. And they call you, you know they pick. I go test you, you know they reply me.
My phone is spoiled.
Your phone spoiled because of 500. Now see now they run. Give me my money.
Just give me some more time.
Which more time?
Okay, we go say this week. Move this week, I beg.
After 6 months, we'll see this week.
This week, I expect something, I beg.
Where the phone dey?
Which phone? Now 500 I go in.
Give me.
I beg.
Hey! You want fight me?
Wait, you want to fight because of 500?
I go enter you.
Eh?
You want? He dey press me for my money.
I go show you something.
He dey press me
No,
for my
I
money.
go show you something now.
I go bite you.
Yes.
Hey!
Who are those guys? Bro, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Which one be good afternoon?
What's happening here?
When I come here. What you make
Who they fight for my street? You don't see no fighting for here.
Bros, no, they fighting my guy.
Who be your guy? You know what they say they owe me 500.
Oh, you don't have 500. Come tell your guy.
For the past 6 months, I owe me 500. No one pay me.
Chineke me.
Bros, now just 500.
Oh boy, get bad mind too. How many is your guy?
Hey, let's go and hold ourselves to come.
Una mind no go touch ground.
If dem na me dey do this thing, I go finish you.
When I come here. Come on, come. Where they go?
Na me dey do like this for my money.
Hey, you, what happened?
Boss, this boy dey owe me 500 for the past 6 months now. He no wan pay me. Today na he see me now dey run. He come dey tell me say na this week he go pay me the money. For wetin na?
You, what happened?
Bros, look me well. I be good person. I be responsible person. Look me well. I dey owe this guy 500 though. Come on 500. I don't understand. Today. No be say I run. No. Even federal government they owe. I tell am finish just this week. Wetin dey for this week? Just 7 days. 1 week make 7. Oh, okay, 7 days make 1 week.
You be
Bros,
mumu.
wetin happen?
This one I talk, no wetin dey my mind. You waiting your for my pocket.
You go dey trust man.
Nothing in my pocket. See, I know anything.
You waiting in your pocket.
Bros, nothing in my pocket.
Tell yourself where?
I don't get anything.
No man, tell us.
Jesus!
What's your pocket?
Okay, bros, now
Give us
small
cinema.
money.
Give us cinema.
They send me fish.
Give us cinema.
Bros, my first day.
No, give me. Give senior man.
You dey use your function to play.
Bros, now
You
fish
dey
they
use
send me.
your
Oh.
generation to play. You dey use your generation to play. You are doing rubbish.
You how much in the owe you?
Boss na 500.
I just dash this one no.
Dash that one.
They hear me? If you pay money when they owe you, na dash I dash this one.
Na dash.
Na dash I dash
Okay.
you.
Well,
Where they
thank
go?
you. See, you still dey owe me my 500. This one na dash.
Where you is? Come back. What is in your pocket?
Bros, nothing. I know anything.
Come on, mash that thing where they your pocket.
Oh, I will phone no.
No, not you. Come on.
Okay,
Bro.
no, mama send me.
I tell you that thing.
Give us cinema. Give us cinema. Hey, also.
Ah, see, this one fine, achievement, correct.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Nah,
you need to fuck up.
Telephone now.
Take the fuck up, man. I don't pay your head. Come,
Bros, you better man do press up.
come, dey there.
Okay.
Dey there.
Okay.
Remember, tell your head.
No, no tear. No tear, no tear.
What have I done myself?